Introducing Material Cards, part of Google's latest design system, built for beautiful user-friendly apps. With modern styles, smooth elevation, and clean layouts, they make your UI feel alive. Paired with our Android Material UI/UX template, you get a sleek, professional design that's ready to launch. It's perfect for developers who want to build fast, look great, and stay modern right out of the box. Material Cards, designed to display content and actions about a single subject. Simple, clean, and powerful. There are 3 types of Material Cards: elevated, raised with shadow for emphasis, filled, bold with a solid background color outlined, minimal with a simple border. Each card style brings a unique look and feel to your app. Material 3 Elevated Cards. Elevated cards have a drop shadow. They create more separation from the background than filled cards, but slightly less than outlined cards. Elevated card properties in Android XML. Android layout width sets the card's width. Android layout height defines the card's height. Style applies the Material 3 Elevated Card style. App card elevation controls the shadow depth. Android layout margin adds space around the card. Material 3 Filled Card. Filled cards provide subtle separation from the background. This has less emphasis than elevated or outlined cards. Filled card properties in Android XML. Style applies the Material 3 Filled Card style. This gives the card a solid background with no shadow. It creates a soft and subtle look, while keeping the layout clean. Android layout width sets how wide the card appears. Android layout height controls the card's height on the screen. Android layout margin adds spacing around the card for better structure. Material 3 Outlined Card. Outlined cards have a visual boundary around the container. This can provide greater emphasis than the other types. Outlined card properties in Android XML. By default, outlined cards have a stroke border. This border adds a clear edge around the card. It makes the card stand out without using shadow. No extra style is needed. The outline comes built in. Join us as we explore how to use Material 3 components in your app. We'll learn how to build clean, modern, and user-friendly interfaces using the latest design principles. Let's work together to create experiences that are flexible, accessible, and visually engaging, giving users more control and confidence in every interaction.